skincare lovers, welcome to our new series, Turn Traffic into Sales, Golden Strategies for Skincare Stores. In this series, we'll dive into proven actionable strategies to transform your website traffic into real sales. If you want to skyrocket your sales in 2025, stay with us. Let's get started. FOMO, fear of missing out, is a powerful technique to create urgency. According to a McKinsey report, 60% of our customers are more likely to purchase when they sense scarcity. For example, write "only 2 left in stock" or "this discount is valid for 24 hours only." These messages trigger the customer's mind to act. Use eye-catching labels. Labels like "hot" or "last fill in stock" can push customers to buy immediately. That's it for this episode. If you found this strategy helpful, make sure to share, like, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, how do you turn your website traffic into sales?